Hi there, in this tutorial I'm going to answer 3 questions about window alert. The first one, what is it? What is it? The second one, what does it do exactly? And the third one, how can we use it? Okay? So if this is your first time in my channel, welcome. If you are interested to learn more stuff about web development, remember to subscribe. Okay, so let's answer the first question. What does it mean, window.alert? It's a function, okay? It's a function. It's a method. It's an operation that telling JavaScript to do something. And here is the answer of the second question. What does it do exactly? It demonstrate an alert box with message and OK button. So if you want JavaScript to show in your page an alert box with message, use window.alert. How can we use it? Very easy. Between script tag, as you know, between an opening and closing script tag, put or write window.alert and between parentheses your message. Okay? For example, good morning everybody or whatever. Let's jump and see all this stuff in a practical way. I prepared an example and I want to share it with you. Okay? So let's jump and see it. So here we go. Here I have my Visual Studio Code. So let's write our script tags, okay? The opening and the closing one. And between I will write window.alert and between parentheses, as you know, you can write your message. The message is, we can write just numbers or you can write a sentence. But remember, when we want to write a sentence, it's so important to write it between quotes, okay? As you may notice, there is nothing in the page, okay? We can see nothing, just the alert box, because it's an alert. It's so important. So you can't see nothing, just the alert box. This method prevents the user to see nothing. So just the alert box, as I said. So we can change and write a sentence, for example, have a nice day. And as you can see, here it is, okay? And the last thing that I want to explain, we can use window.alert or just we can use alert. Just alert and between parentheses our message, because window in JavaScript is a global object, so alert is a global method, so there's no need to use window.alert. We can use both of them are correct. Okay, if you find this tutorial useful to you, give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching.